Hello everyone. In this video, I solved this math Olympiad question. This question is 2 to the power 18 minus 1. But you don't use calculator. So first of all, I can say here is 2 to the power 18 and now 2 to the power 9 power 2 minus 1. According to exponential rules, a to the power n power m equal to a to the power n m. I follow this formula in this line. Now I can say 2 to the power 9 power 2 minus 1 square. We know that according to math rules, a square minus b square equal to a plus b, a minus b. I follow this formula in this line, so I can say easily this is a, this is v, so a plus v and 2 to the power 9 minus 1. Now I can say 2 to the power 9 equal to 512 plus 1, and here is 2 to the power 9. I can say easily 512 minus 1. Now 512 plus 1 is equal to 513 times 511. Now I can say 513, we know that 500 plus 13 equal to 513 and 500 plus 11 equal to 511. Now if I multiply both, now I can say easily 500 times 500, and here is 511 13, so 500 times 13 plus 11 and 13 times 11. Now I can say here is 500 times 500, so 250,000, and here is 500 times 13 plus 11 equal to 24 plus 13 times 11 is equal to 143. Now I can say 25000 plus 500 times 24 equal to 12,000. Here is 143. Now if I add, here is 25000 and here is 0 0 0 and 12, and here is 143. Now I can say easily 3 4 1 2 6 2. This is the answer. This answer is 2 to the power 18 minus 1 equal to 262143. This is the math Olympiad question. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe my channel. Goodbye.